Hi everyone, today we will look another part of chapter 6 linear inequalities in two variables, that is systems of linear inequalities in two variables. So now you can refer your textbook, page 165. The example, how do you determine the appropriate inequality for a certain situation? So given some example of situation with the linear inequality, y is greater than x. So this is the symbol y greater than x. Y is less than x. So this is the symbol for y less than x. Y is not less than x. That means y greater equal x. Y is not more than x. That means y less equal x. Y is at least k times x. That means y greater equal kx. Y is at most k times x. That means y less equal kx. Maximum of y is k. That means y less equal k. Minimum of y is k. That means y greater equal k. Sum of x and y is greater than k. So x plus y greater than k. Difference between y and x is less than k. Difference means minus. Y minus x less than k. Y is more than x by at least k. So also difference, y minus x greater equal k. So these are examples of situation. We can see now example 7 at page 166. SMK Sri Permata is hosting a leadership camp during the mid-year holidays. Y Form 4 pupils and X Form 5 pupils participate in the camp. The pupils are selected according to the following conditions. So you have to write all the linear equalities that satisfy the condition given. So part A, the total number of participants for the camp is at most 40. At most 40 means cannot beyond 40. Tak boleh melebihi 40. That means the number participants from Form 4 and Form 5. So Form 4, you have Y student. Okay, Y student plus with X student of Form 5 must be until 40. That means less equal 40. So X plus Y less equal 40. Next, we look part B. The number of Form 5 pupils is not less than the number of Form 4 pupils. So Form 5 pupils, that is X. Okay, not less. Not less, that means must be greater. Okay, X should be greater equal Y. Then we look at C. At least 15 Form 4 pupils participate in the camp. So Form 4, that is Y. Okay, at least 15. So you can be 15 or more than 15. So that's why Y greater equal 15. So this is for example 7. Then we can look the next example, that's example 8. A computer shop sells refill ink of brands X and Y for printers. The seller needs to place an order of X number of refill ink of brand X and Y number of refill ink of brand Y, which costs 14 ringgit and 18 ringgit respectively from a supplier. The conditions for the order are as follows. So we look the first one, we have to write the equalities for the condition given. Part A, the total number of ink ordered does not exceed 25 units. That means the number of brand X and the number of brand Y cannot be beyond 25. Tidak boleh melebihi 25. That means the number of brand X is X and the number of brand Y is Y. So x plus y must be less equal 25 because does not exceed 25, tidak boleh melebihi 25. That means must be less equal 25. Then part B, the number of ink of brand Y is at least twice that of brand X. Okay, bilangan brand Y, the number that they want to order for brand Y. Brand Y here, the number is Y, must be at least twice, sekurang-kurangnya 2 kali daripada X. That's why Y greater equal to X. Next, for part C, the number of ink of brand Y is not more than 8 units. That means brand Y cannot be more than 8. Tak boleh melebihi 8. So, how you write? Y less equal 8. Then, the last one, part D, the total purchase does not exceed 400 ringgit. So here, from the question, we know that the refill ink of brand X is one brand X here is 14 ringgit, and for refill ink for brand Y is 18 ringgit. So 14 ringgit times with the number of refill ink of brand XX. Then for 18 ringgit times with Y. What is Y? The refill ink of brand Y. So 14x plus 18y less equal. Why less equal? Because does not exceed. Tidak boleh melebihi 400 ringgit. So less equal 400. So these are the examples how to write linear inequalities when given two variables. So thank you for watching. I hope everyone understand this subtopic.